Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix ARK Lost Colony game not launching, not loading, crashing at startup, lagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, you need to select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings on your Xbox and choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. Next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, now select settings, choose network settings, then click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. If not, next method is to check for ARK Lost Colony update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues to improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to clear cache of ARK Lost Colony. For that, press Xbox guide, click on My Games and Apps, tap on See All option. Here search for ARK Lost Colony game, then press menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data and click on Reserved Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account and click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select the remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if it's working. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running an outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once done, try to open the game. If not, next method is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, click on Settings, then click on System and then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create some space. Next solution is to reinstall ARK Lost Colony game. For that, press Xbox button controller. Now move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select ARK Lost Colony game, then press menu button and then select Uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open ARK Lost Colony official website and download the game and then try to play it and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.